Here's Toyota. Let's go places. Cleveland with a...
The urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Lorain. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for west central Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Lorain County until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Avon Lake, or 8 miles northeast of Elyria, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lakewood, Westlake, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, North Olmsted, Avon, Rocky River, Fairview Park, Bay Village, Sheffield Lake, and Sheffield.
Runs off Carson Spires here in inning number 1.